Hi guys, happy new year. Hope you are all well. Yeah, let's start the year. No, let's start the day with a few errands and some work a bit later, meaning cleaning this tractor. But first we have to start it. But until then, let me tell you the story. We have to clean this tractor, take a DJ controller back to a friend of mine, and then work. But until then, let's see if this tractor starts, because last night was a bit cold, like -4, something like that. Let's see. Okay. Yep, it started perfectly. Let's see if it's smoking. A bit. Yeah, I need to refuel. Okay, cold car. Cold, not cool, or a bit cool. No fuel, we have to get fuel. The engine is still very cold, so we have to be a bit careful. Okay, errands time and then some work. First, take the DJ controller back to my friend. Where I live, this road is not really good, to be honest. That's why I drive this more often than the Mercedes. The Mercedes is sitting very well. It's hibernating very well in the garage. On the garage, as garage or garage? What is the correct pronunciation? I wonder. Let me know in the comments. Okay. See. Yep, no car is coming. For 19 or 20, I think 20-year-old car. It drives very good, to be honest. Very smooth. Yeah, no, there are a few bits and pieces that need to be changed on this car, but until then, all works perfectly. The sound system is aftermarket, obviously, because I'm a DJ from birth, something like that. It was changed a few years ago. The sound system, I told you in a previous video, it is way more expensive than this car. Okay, guys, see you in a bit. Change of plans. First order of the day, washing this car. So let's do that. It's right here. Ooh, almost scraped that car. Let's see if there are a lot of cars here to wash. Nope, it's almost empty. Good for me. No time to wait. Like an old saying, time is money. What the hell was that? Okay, where to? Right here. Oh boy. The car is looking like this. It's very noisy because other people are washing their cars too. Yeah. Went a bit off-roading here, but all will be washed out. So, let's do this. I don't know why I keep saying that often so. In a few seconds for you, the car will look like this. Now it's clean. It looks way better, I think. Although you really don't know when it's filthy or when it's clean because of these colors. But yeah, the wheels are clean. the car on the outside, it's clean, but my hands are so frozen. Okay, see you later. Now to the next errand, leaving or returning the DJ controller back to my friend. See you in a bit. Hi guys, part 2 of the video. Yesterday didn't have the time to finish the first video, so I decided to make 2 parts of it in one. First part yesterday, where we had a few errands to run, like washing the car, returning a DJ controller to a friend of mine, and work with this car. It seems that yesterday I washed the car for nothing, because after 10 minutes since I left the washing place, it started raining, so the car today is the same as it was yesterday, but I'm not complaining. Yeah, let's start the car. Let's not see too much outside. Okay, another cold start for this tractor. The difference from yesterday to today is that I have some fuel, not that much. Okay, the tractor has started. Let's see if it smoked a bit. Nothing at all. Yeah, so today we have to work. Not that much errands to run, but more work until this channel blows up. We have to work. Yeah, the wipers need to be changed. I hate when this sound when this wiper makes that sound, because it's like a scratch in my eardrums. Great, let's start the day a bit late, but like a Romanian saying, it's never too late. Let's start the day, and I'll get back to you in a bit. Back behind the wheel, guys. Part I don't know which number is the part I'm filming right now. Yeah, work is going great. If you didn't realize, work meaning right now making food delivery with my tractor. Right now I'm going to deliver a food to an address in somewhere in Cluj. I don't know exactly, but it's a bit of a long distance, and this neighborhood is kind of strange. Not really strange, it's industrial, but the roads are let's say decent. Okay, I think I didn't bore you enough. Nah, joking. Hope you are all well, and what can I say? See you next time in the next video with something different or something like that. You will see. Until then, don't forget to subscribe. Click the bell icon to get notifications when I upload videos. We can talk on social media, and you can give me your feedback. Until then, have a great day. Bye.